How to enable or disable force activities to be resizable on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. Scroll down and you will see Developer option is here. So click on Developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search force activities to resizable from here. So scroll down and search from here. You will see force activities to be resizable is here. So if you want to enable force activities to be resizable, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see force activities to be resizable is turn on and enable. So if you want to disable force activities to be resizable, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see force activities to be resizable is disabled. So you will enable or disable force activities to be resizable from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable force activities to be resizable on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.